guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm. Today we are finally going to get back to this horse fence and install the power to it. I'm going to put the box up, do the jumpers from the box to the fence, and put the ground rods in, and then I'll go around to each corner of the fence and install the jumpers there. And then once that's all done, then we can power up the pasture. I've already had to deal with a couple things on the fence because the horses are putting their heads through it and stuff like that, so this should solve the problem. So we're going to go ahead and get this done, so sit back and relax and enjoy the video. First thing I need to do is attach this block right here so I can put the box on this, mount it right here. Let's get that done. Alright, so now we can hang the box on this mount right here. Alright, next thing I got to do is I got to mount the box up to this board that I mounted, so let's get at that. I said to leave the heads of the screws about an 1/8 inch out. So let's see if this fits in. So that looks good. Alright, now we can drive these ground posts down and get all our wires hooked up. We should be in good shape. Okay, now what we have to do is on the green side is what's going to go down to the ground rods. And the red side, which is red for hot. This is what I mean by a ground clamp. You know, you stick it over the rod, and then the wire goes up through there, and you just tighten this bolt down, and it'll clamp it on that rod. So I got 2 of these, and I'll just do it. I'll put the wire through the first one and then terminate it on the other rod. Now we'll just attach the wire to the ground. A little slot in there. Tighten it up. And I'll just attach this to the wood there, and that'll be safe. All right, zoom out here. Now what we're gonna do, we need to run the hot wire to the bottom, run a fence, and then we can jumper it up all the way up. So let's get at that. See, I'll use this to clamp on the poly tape. Then I'll run the wire back to the hot side of the box. Then what we'll have to do is go from that wire to the third one up. Then we'll go from there to the box. Then everything will have power to it, and then we got to go to the corners of each, corner over there, another corner way down there, and do the same thing, just jumper it from each other. And that should be it. And then we can hook everything up and turn it on, see how it works. Okay, now we're going to move to each corner of the fence and get everything looped in, which should be relatively easy, I hope. Okay, we're going to start with these. We just got to jump from there to there and there to there. So we just need 2 of them. So these are just jumpers, and you put them on.
Wait, Dad, once you do that, will you take these down?
Sandwich them on. I'll come back and clean these wires up later. Maybe I get it now. The animals aren't going to mess with these wires because they have energy in them. Not right now, but they will.
Lady.
That's that one.
What do you want? You want the packet bigger? He's sweating. Because he's running around like a Clinton horse.
Right there.
He was. That's why he's sweating.
Now, what I have to do is I got to jump here to here.
Yeah.
or from here to here, and from there to there. Same thing down here, from there to there, and from here to here. So that might take a little bit. So let's get that done. Alright, so that's pretty much what we're going to do at each corner. I'm going to finish up this corner right here. Then we're going to move to the next. We got 3-4 corners to do. And I'll meet you guys back at the box and we'll turn it on and see how it works. Okay, I miscalculated on how many bolts that I needed to jumper the wires. I'm short 4 bolts. So I'm going to have to run to the store and grab those 4 bolts so I can finish this up. Then we'll get this thing powered up. So like I said earlier in the week, I had to already fix up some of the poly tape because the horses grabbed hold of it and yanked on it, but not a big deal. It fixed real easy. That stuff's real easy to work with. So I'm gonna go to the store, get those bolts, and then we'll go ahead and get this thing finished.